Hey beautiful souls, this week's reading is powerful. We're in the final days of a deep energetic cycle and the portal is closing. You might be feeling pressure, urgency, or really big emotions rising, and that's because something is ready to be released and your next level is calling you. Today I'm using my own Akashic Alchemy Oracle card mixed in with Tarot as always. The Akashic Alchemy Oracle is a soul-coded deck that I created to support women just like you in rising into power, purpose, truth and remembrance. The deck is currently live on Kickstarter and in its final 3 days. So if this reading resonates with you, you can claim your deck using the link below. Now let's dig in. So just asking, what is ready to be released? What is our soul ready to let go of? Okay, so I'm gonna have to pick those up. Bear with me a second. Okay, so we have a couple of cards. I'm just gonna get a couple more. This is a really, really potent, powerful time for releasing the things that are no longer serving you. And if you'd like a daily card, you can come and join me on TikTok as I pull a daily card there. Okay, so we've got some beautiful energies coming in here. So this is a time to really look at your environment. Now, your environment affects your energy. It affects your vibration and your frequency as well. So this could be your home, your workplace, your car, your office, anywhere where you spend a lot of time can affect your energy, your emotions, how you show up, and all of those beautiful things. So this card is really inviting you to look at your environment and see where it is out of alignment, right? Your environment should feel like a temple. It shouldn't feel like a cage. You should be able to be free, to be able to express yourself, to be able to be fully in your power in the place that you spend the most time in. So, for example, if you work from home and you have lots of people coming in and out and their energy perhaps isn't quite in alignment with yours, then this would be the time to clear and cleanse and only allow people with high vibration into your living space. If you are working in a job that is not in alignment with you, then this card is inviting you to look at that as well. So not just the spaces, but the things that we are doing the most need to be looked at so that you can get your environment vibrating at a frequency that you want to be vibrating at. Okay, that's really, really important. And as you do that, you're going to find that it's easier to create balance and flow, right? The masculine and the feminine. If your environment is very much about work and hustle and, you know, doing all the things, then you don't have balance because you don't have space for creativity and flow in the feminine energy. So by really looking at your environment, how you're spending your time, making sure that everything is cleaned, cleared, cleansed, and in alignment with you, you're going to be able to find more balance, more flow, more creativity, and more of that beautiful feminine energy so that you can bring in more beauty, more happiness, more joy. Okay. Boundaries is also another thing that really needs looking at this time. So your boundaries are what you are telling the world is and isn't acceptable for you. So if you've got people that are draining your energy, you need to let them know. You need to put clear boundaries in place. So these are almost energetic, right? You knowing what your boundaries are and the people around you knowing your boundaries is going to be really, really powerful. Because if you don't have boundaries in place, people can drain your energy, people can take up your time. And if you don't have boundaries, then you're not honoring yourself. You're not honoring your needs. Your energetic needs are not met. So when this card comes up, you're being asked to set clearer boundaries. And that's going to be in all areas of your life, whether that's, you know, a relationship that's draining your energy, whether there's a job that is sucking the life out of you, or whether there's people that just aren't in alignment with you anymore. This is your invitation to set those clear boundaries so that you can honor your own energy. When we don't have clear boundaries set, then we tend to people please, to overgive, to not charge enough for our gifts, you know, our soul work that we're here to do. So boundaries are really, really important. And as you start to work with these three energies, you're going to be able to step more into your divine service, your purpose, your mission, the things that you are here to do, have, be, create, right? The way that you are here to show up, your purpose and your mission, the way that you are here to serve, and also how your soul wants to be expressed as well is really, really important. You're here for a reason, and that reason is going to be in alignment with awakening. It's going to be in alignment with raising the frequency and the vibration of the collective. So your energy is really, really important. And if you don't have clear boundaries and an energetic space, you're not going to have balance and flow, and it's going to be impossible to help raise the frequency and the vibration of the collective, because you're unable to raise the vibration and the frequency for yourself. Okay, so let's have a look and just bring in some tarot just to see what tarot would like us to know today. Okay, so we have, there's a few cards that came out. I'm just going to do that again. Okay, so what does tarot want us to know today? Okay. So you are being shown a way forward to shine your light. You cannot shine your light if you are energetically holding on to other people's problems, issues, emotions, and all of those different things. So clearing your energy, your environment is really, really important so that you can shine your light. It's exactly what you came here to do. And as you work with these energies, you're going to find more happiness, more joy, more alignment. Okay, and that's really, really important. So it's time to stop overthinking things and time to start taking action towards your hopes, dreams, wishes, and desires so that you can help to raise the collective energy, be fully in service, in that divine service, and start creating not only happiness for yourself, but for others as well. So I'd love to know how this reading resonates with you this week. If you'd like to know more about the Akashic Alchemy Oracle deck, please do go and check out the Kickstarter. We've only got 3 days left to fund this. So I will put the link in the description, and do come follow me on TikTok for daily card readings as well. So have an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ciao for now.